Turkana University College ni yako courses au koru PhD mpaka certificate.
Yes.
So as a PhD ndo wate courses au kuna School of Business ndo wate PhD in Business Administration. Ambapo mwanafunzi yako chokora ulio etire masters yae. Ojo okora PhD in Business Administration ambapo specialize in the accounting, finance, human resource, procurement. Pona abuna awo kolega sekera koliro nyole kare HR mondo human resource uyibona ro kutenera abafanyikazi asegasi. Unono mondo finance uyibona ro koja kwenda sibesire ochi manage. Nyore ni accountant uyibona ro koja kwenda be accountant. Ndo bwati courses ya masters tali as a business yoka but as school change bitobwate tubati school sato. Ndo bwati school ya business and economics, ndo bwati school ya education and social science, and ndo bwati school ya science and technology. Chikoze masters program nko bajireran depending nkyo mwanafunzi atagete gukora kulingana ngi akorire kurunze mpaka ngakia asaikere ekera ndoligo taka mwanafunzi orukurwe line ya area yago specialize. Nyoro akorire for example certificate ya business management tigaenda ase line ya business mpaka akore. Nyoro ni education tigaenda line ya education mpaka akore akore. So ndobwate chikourses yejo ndobwate chikourses ya bachelors ambapo wanafunzi abange wana twanyorere kurugusia abange na ba bachelors, especially Bachelor of Education Science and Bachelor of Education Arts. No wanafunzi abanga ba posted na CUSPs bagoja kuruga gusi no bagoja this category, especially in Bachelor of Education and Bachelor of Education Arts and Bachelor of Education Science. Tali education science yo katobwate ndubwate for example in School of Business ndubwate jabo BCom, Bachelor of Commerce, ndubwate Bachelor of Business Management, ndubwate Bachelor of Science in Economics, ndubwate Bachelor of Hospitality Management, ndubwate baka as social science, ndubwate buna a new program bune yo batangazaje korokunga Bachelor of Journalism ambao ni a new program iko launched from this September. So we have all those programs asa wanafunzi bawoja bago in bachelor's programs na anda no wanafunzi abange baito vale. Then we have also diploma courses in various schools. For example, a School of Business ndubwate diploma in business management, ndubwate diploma in oil and gas economics ambayo tokonya kora in cooperation na Morendat Institute of Oil and Gas Eldoret. So ikara wanafunzi bawere posted toko baira Eldoret depot banda wasomera oro kiara na rebate facilities you train amangana oil at the moment. Lakini manyanga mafuta nga ya tokire mafuta ndurukanare. So kokoru kitale goja lodwa eta onero wete okulokichari before taraika lodwa lokichari no mafuta atokire igono na karo konya goja na boro chenga nama o tajiringa ntajetensa asiko akoro kukainuko no igol diera so bonge mining ya okorwa. So ekaro toja ku train courses buneji ndubugate what you call the facilities na actual sites chokera wanafunzi bamanyangi bawenda okora in the field. Then lastly ndubugate certificate courses in various for example in the School of Business ndubugate certificate in business management ambapo mwanafunzi yako chake kegera mwanafunzi naro chaka kurunze ochaka kuru certificate oenda master diploma kuru diploma and bachelors. So masomo tabuati kiwango ngana na bogo chakera every qualification ni batenga yumo ndago chakera. So no bangi grade yao ya renge anse na bogo chaka kuru certificate na bogo soma pako choko ku qualify no monto bwate PhD.
Oh yes.
So na bogo chaka kurunze the only problem ora atwali ugotumia ngakia ntambe because ora chake kuru certificate diploma kusoma paka mwisho. Lakini lazima ukole na ndo tuale certificate kuna bandu bonse andele genuine iko kana in as a Kenya
ikinchire tulikubwata soko chakera
no ngo bwatiere kulingana na qualification yao.
Yes, ebirango biro bwata
onyo for example kwa tuale above C+. I know you are guaranteed kus na beho paraki ngo bole posted as a university. Lakini onyo tuwa C+ na bogo chaka maybe ukatware C na bogo chaka na diploma kwa hiyo.
Yes.
Onyole ko gwate D+ na bogo chaka ni certificate. So kulingana na kiwango kili grade ya ego kwa ndubata masomo are equivalent ne kiwango cha masomo. So onyole kwa D+ ndwate certificate nyole kwanyole C ndwate diploma nyole kwanyole above C+ ndwate bachelor's programs na ekichinde postgraduate programs irocho kerwa akolire na lyo kanyakora for example nyole masters yotakete kerwa akolire for example masters in education na lyo ko qualify okora masters of education kerwa akolire master of education na lyo rakole PhD in education. There is no way ora jokora PhD in education otarakora masters.
All right. Sante sana mwanchi mweligere no mwategereri uyokurunga Mr. Darius Bosiro mwalimu na boyugo motenelia School of Business and Economics school ya Turkana University College otoere mangiro chikostiri andaka chikwena nwa chibako somia ase ensemeyo